Good evening, Southeast Texas and Southwest Louisiana. I'm meteorologist Lucas Bostwick. We're taking a live look at radar this evening, and we can see that all the showers and storms we had earlier have all moved offshore, and we're not expecting any more shower activity for the rest of this evening. Current temperatures are running right now in the mid and upper 70s for most regions, around 80 at the beach. Satellite radar over the past 3 hours shows that we had a little bit of light rain and showers and storms over the region earlier. Houston had a lot of rain in particular and had a lot of street flooding problems earlier today as a result of this line that came through. There's still some showers and storms out to our west around San Antonio in that region. Now, our futurecast is showing that really nothing more is expected of significance throughout the night. However, we could have a few showers and storms begin to develop by daybreak. And as we go throughout the day, we should see maybe a few more showers, but not a ton of activity, a little bit here and there. We're going to keep coverage around 40% for tomorrow for Southeast Texas, but 20% for Southwest Louisiana. And coming up towards the end of the week, we should see kind of some westerly flow, which will kind of moderate temperatures, but we're going to have some drier air move in because of this, and we should have not too much in the way of showers and storms for this upcoming week. If we look at, though, atmospheric moisture, we see that tomorrow morning we still have quite a bit in place with those pinks showing up, but it's a bit drier over Southwest Louisiana. As we go throughout the day, we see that that moisture really rapidly pushes out, and by Tuesday it's very dry as far as atmospheric moisture potential across most of the region. Those greens and yellows starting to show up is showing a lot of limited moisture for showers. And as we get into Wednesday, we see even more drier comes in. And into Thursday, we have even more. And even into Friday, there's still a lot of dry air lingering. So Saturday, it's finally starting to kind of move on out. So we'll start to see those rain chances increase by then. But lows tonight are going to be in the lower 70s and mid 70s in some areas, around 80 at the beach. Tomorrow, highs should be around 90 with the less shower activity. It should be a little bit warmer than it was today. And out to our east, it should also be in the upper 80s to around 90 and low 90s in a few areas. And as far as our 7-day outlook is concerned, for Southeast Texas, we have a 40% chance of rain for tomorrow. And then those rain chances start to diminish. But look at those lows. On Thursday morning, we're looking at a low of 67. And then again, Friday morning, we're still at 70. So it's going to be pretty cool. But Thursday morning is looking to be the nicest morning as far as humidity is concerned. And Wednesday and Thursday should have fairly decent amounts of drier air coming in with those northwest winds. And the same for Southwest Louisiana. We see that the drier air really picks up on Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday morning, we have a low of 69, so it should feel pretty pleasant, and some areas will be even cooler than that, so we'll definitely keep an eye on that. But a shout out to Modern for making this video possible, and to all of our other sponsors as well. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel at youtube.com/@GulfCoastWX, and we'll see you again for tomorrow. Have a good one.